Alright, for the tires, I forgot one thing. You have to separate all animations for every tire. So we're gonna do that quick, and then you can continue with the video. At first, if you correct the tires on the right side, you will notice the tires on the left side will get the same error. Obviously, that's because the animation can be like that, but the animation controllers need a new separated animation here. So for that, let's take a quick look. I've corrected the tires on the right. Now if I'm doing this, same arrow is appearing. Why? Because of the rotation in the y-axis. Okay, this should be for the left side 0, and for the right side it should be minus 180. So to correct that, at first we're correcting these, and there you see the y-axis is wrong here. Let's correct it. Perfect. Now it's working. And one more thing, if you've noticed, have a look at the x-axis. It's increasing, and after here it's decreasing, and it's actually, yeah, like this. This is because of the curve. I don't know why the curve changed here, but we can fix that very quick. Just go to this point here, correct it like this, and here is the curve like you've seen, where the tire is not behaving like we want. Just do it like this and make sure it's linear. Yeah, that should be good. Perfect. Great. Let's have a look. And it should only decrease. Perfect. Now it's driving backwards. So to correct that, negative the x-axis on the beginning, and here make it positive. Alright, let's have a look again. Wait. Okay. That's not the behavior we want. The curve is changing. Okay. Good. Much better. Great. That's fixed for now. Alright. Perfect. Good. Parking. The curve is correct. Slowly ending. Great. After we've finished this, let's check out the rear wheel. It's behaving also correctly. Let's go in here and then to animations. Perfect. Perfect. Great. Very good. Okay. Now we need two separated animations. Let's create a new one, or let's copy this. Doesn't work. New animation. Actually, you can't copy the elements here in Unity, but what you can do, just go into the folder. Wait, go into the folder in your, this is example 2, Unity, assets, animations. Great. Okay, we get here the driving animation. We're copying it, or let's copy both, paste it in here, call it driving right. Then if you go back, it's appearing. Perfect. Okay, that's because we want our keyframes, our keys, and just change one little parameter. Alright. Now, this is the right one. The controller is right, but we just want to change the animation. Okay, I can't create a new clip here. No problem. Let's go into wheel 1. Delete this component. I hope the controller is not deleted anyways. Remove component. No. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to drag and drop this to wheel 1 and parked. Perfect. Drive right, park right. Alright. Now if we do this, the curve, oh wait, he didn't save it. That's not what we want. Let's delete it, and in here go to animator removed, animator wheel 4. No, I'm in the right wheel, right? Okay, just want to delete this, remove. Yeah, we know, remove component. No, okay, good. Save the scene. Now the changes should be saved also here. Copy these two animations again and rename it to, come on, to the right side. Alright. Perfect. Great. Now the curves should also be available. Wheel 1, park right, wheel 1, go to animation. Perfect. Now it's correct. And we're doing this and this. Yeah, great. But it's driving backwards. So we need to change this value and this value. Oh, the curve I don't know why, but Unity is not copying the curve for me. Okay, no problem. Let's go back in here. 400. But it's driving correctly? Really? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's correct. Okay. Good. Okay, one thing to mention. Let's go in here. Correct this curve. Can zoom a little bit in. And it should be good to go. Yeah. This could be a little bit more like this. Yes, yes, yes. Now let's have a look. Perfect. Okay. And park. Also not correct. Let's correct this. Okay, now. Yeah, great. This is also working now, and let's delete this, remove component, and add the driving right. And now make sure the animation is correct and the curve is correct. Great. And the parking, yes, perfect. And now let's check out the left tires. The left tire is also working correctly. Great. Yeah, regarding the rims, let's have a look. You get a standard material here. We didn't change the rim material. We're gonna do this right here. Create a new material. Let's call it rims, and we're gonna have yep. Yeah, just add one thing into albedo, add the universal wheel texture, and apply a white color, zero transparency, and play around with this value like that. You can see. Great, that's looking good. You can do it also in gray, then you will get this, and maybe a little bit more shiny. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay, great. You can play around with that. Great, now we got the rims material, everything looks good. The driving animation is fixed. And now let's export our model again. Save your scene. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you want to change the background, you can create a script that is going to get applied to the prefab. Let's go back in our prefab. Oh yeah, one more thing. Apply the material here. We forgot to apply it there. Just go in here. Perfect. And we've corrected one more thing. There you can see. If you don't correct this, yeah, just in the y-axis, and then for the other one, go in here, place it to the right. Great. Oh yeah, and I'm seeing here one more thing. The brakes. And come on, the rims. Okay. And the rims here. And the rims there. There you go. Perfect. If you go in here, you can see. Yes, great. Everything's correct, and we can go back to our scene. Have a look at the tires. Great, perfect. Now let's go back